of a fireplace where the heroes would be waiting for me,
where the crowds will cheer when they see my face,
and the voice keeps saying, this is what